magpunta ako sa loob, wash tayo ng trailer. Iwawash ko yung trailer ko, tapos isama ko na rin ang truck. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko guys na dinideliveran na customer namin. Talagang meron silang libre na pahugasan. Yes! Okay, we're now here in United States Border Station, Pembina, North Dakota. Kapila na tayo guys. Tayo lang natin. Tayo na susunod. Guys, morning. Ayan, andito na tayo ngayon sa dideliveran natin. Yes! Pero yung papel. Punta tayo sa Dock 4. Doon tayo mag-check-in. Mag-check-in tayo doon. Sa mga nakasunod sa atin, no? Ayan, nawala yung ating license plate, yung isa. Pero in-report ko naman sa company namin. Sabi nila, as long na mayroon ka pang isang license plate dyan sa harapan, okay lang yan. Pagbalik mo rito, sabi, ikukuhanan kita ng bago. Kaya kukuha yung company ko ng bago. Nangyayari rin kasi yan, kasi natatagtag, yun, sa vibration, napuputol yung napipilas yung license plate. Tapos yung worst thing, kamo, sa previous video natin nakita nyo naman, nasabugan tayo ng gulong. Pero okay lang, kasi nagdadrive si Mrs. at kahit papaano matik siya na nakuha niya agad yung gulong sa bahay. Hindi na ako gumastos kasi itong gulong ko na to guys, matagal ko ng gulong ito eh. Ganito rin ang nangyari dati, nasabugan ako eh. Hindi ko ginamit kasi ang advice ng mga tropa, kumuha ka lang ng gulong na tama lang dyan sa gulong mo na medyo pudpud na. Yun sana ang gagawin ko, kaso nga parang hindi ko na magamit-gamit itong isang ito, kaya gamitin ko na lang ngayon para hindi na gumastos. Kasi kapag nagpalit ako ng gulong, laging 8 piraso lagi yan. Kaya yun ang maano yun eh, sa drive tire. Di pwedeng isa lang mapalitan mo dun. Kapag sabay-sabay mo siyang pinalitan, susunod na pagpapalit mo, sabay-sabay din silang mapapalitan. Kaya nga ganun ang mangyayari. Kaya mo na, kailangan ng palitan yan. Gamitin na natin yung reserva nating gulong sa bahay. Alright guys, nandito na tayo. Park muna ako rito, tapos punta tayo dun sa raw meat receiving. Pa ako. Nag-park ako dyan sa malapit eh. after natin mag-deliver dito, hopefully mabigyan tayo ng reload agad-agad. Okay. Dito muna tayo guys. Park muna tayo rito. Tapos punta tayo dun. Tara. Check mo natin temperature. Tama lang. 28 ang seat point, 30 ang box. Ito yung lugar, ito yung pinaka favorite kong lugar guys na dideliveran, kasi meron silang wash bay dyan. Pwede kang maghugas ng truck mo. Siyempre truck ko kaya hinuhugasan ko na. Pero kung truck ito ng company, hindi ko hugasan yan, kasi pagdating mo sa yard, dinadala naman ng mga taga-shop yung truck doon sa loob. Hinuhugasan talaga nila yung truck, kasi truck nila yun. Ayan yung kanilang wash bay. Enter only, outside wash bay, outside company. Mamaya dyan tayo pahugas tayo mamaya dyan. Hugas tayo. Ito, raw meat receiving. Dito tayo ngayon sa New London, Wisconsin guys. Tapos antayin ko na lang, puntahan nila ako dun Dito lang natin nilagay. Tapos tatawagan tayo. Yes! Lakas naman ng ilaw, hindi ko pa pala napatay. Pagbayad na yung truck ko, bili ulit ako ng bagong nito. Hindi naman yan na mandatory pero mas maganda kung mayroon pang extrang ilaw na ganyan. Hindi yun mandatory, kaya okay lang. Yun, yung isang yun, kasabay ko doon, nagpunta, chinik nila. Wala ba, hindi ba tayo tatawagan sa? Hindi. Sabi ko, siyempre matagal na tayong nagdi-deliver dito. Sabi ko, pupunta ka ng Shanter. O yun, pupunta ka ng Shanter. Shanter ang pupunta sa atin. Ang schedule ng patayin ko na muna. Ang schedule ng delivery ko dito alas 9 guys ng umaga. Anong oras pa lang ayan, nakikita nyo dito sa aking dito sa aking 6:30 pa lang ng umaga. 6, 7:30, 8:30. Dalawat kalating oras ang advance ko, kaya naman na mahaba yung oras natin. Ay hindi ako magmamadali. Ang plano ko nga guys, parang gusto ko na yatang i-top down itong truck. Tapos na ako doon, hugasan ko na itong truck ko doon. Ano kaya mas maganda? Ayan mo na, mamaya na lang pagka tapos na, kasi parang minsanan parang kasama yung trailer. Tamang lang gagawin ko ditong itong windshield, spray, wala naman tayong sabon, tamang linis lang, para malinis lang siguro dapya konti. Okay guys, balikan ko kayo mamaya. Balik muna ako sa higaan guys, tulog muna tayo. Yes! Alright guys, so inabot tayo ng 3:36. Naka off duty ako 3 oras bago nila ako binigyan ng door. But anyway, ang schedule ko naman dito is alas 9, 38 minutes lang. Nakatulog nga ako, sarap ng tulog ko. Tara, buksan na natin, atras tayo dun sa door na sinabi sa akin. Ay. Tapos mayroon na rin akong reload na binigay sa akin. After this, puntahan na natin yung pipikapan natin. Okay. Hindi kasi ito basta-basta ano eh. Paputol ng ganito lang, kailangan nating pukpukin yan. Oh. Tapos ihagis natin sa loob. Lagay natin sa loob yung ano, mga shield. Tara, atrasan natin. Okay. Door 1 sabi nila. Alright guys, ayan. Pula na agad oh. Patay muna natin. Antay lang tayo. Pagkatapos nito magpunta ako sa loob, wash tayo ng trailer. Iwawash ko yung trailer ko, tapos isama ko na rin ang truck. Ito yung pinaka favorite ko guys na ano na dinideliveran na ano namin, na customer namin. Talagang meron silang libre na pahugasan. Yes! Antayin ko lang, darating na yan si sir para tanggalin o lagyan ng kung ano-ano dyan. Makain na pala oh. Tanggalin natin yung ano. Morning sir, you got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Thank you. Siya na daw bahala. Thank you sir.
Yep.
Okay. This won't take long.
Yes!
Ito minsan yung pinapakinggan ko guys kapag nagdadrive ako. Movie in your mind. Marami akong ganito. CD ba? Audio lang ito, audio. Para kang nanonood ng ano, nanonood ng movie. Bigyan ko kayo ng example. Ayun na. I-start natin ang truck. Pakinggan natin kung gaano kaganda yung mga pinapakinggan ko guys. Para matuto tayo mag-English. Kasi English kalabaw tayo. English kalabaw para matuto tayo mag-English. Makinig tayo sa mga graphic audio na ganito.
Graphic audio. A movie in your mind.
Yan, tamo. Tunugan pa lang ano?
I stamped into the practice room just as the afternoon heat began to get thick and heavy, black stacked clouds massing over the city. It would be rain soon, a monsoon-like downpour. Thunder and lightning would accompany the rain, and by the time full dark fell, the steaming city might get some relief. I wasn't wearing my bag or my coat, just jeans and a fresh microfiber shirt, boots and my rings. My hair was wet, braided back tightly, and I'd re-lacquered my fingernails with the molecule drip that made them tough as claws. The practice room was a long hall floored with tatami, weapons racked on the wall, and 3 heavy bags ranged in a row near the door.
Alright guys, nakuha ko yung papel. Empty na tayo, yan. Ngayon, kukunin ko yung, pupunta na tayo dun sa ano. Hugasan na natin ang ating trailer doon. Punta na tayo dun sa kanilang wash bay. Tapos punta na tayo sa pick up location natin. Malapit lang naman yung pick up location dito eh. Mga ano lang, mga 2 oras driving. Let's go. Hugasan muna natin ang ating truck. Unahin muna natin hugasan si Cordapia. Tamang hilamos lang kay Cordapia. Tamang hilamos kay Cordapia. Hilamos lang. Saktuhan lang na hilamos. Okay. Okay. Idiretso natin. Muna ako dun sa ano. Patayin muna natin. Sarado ko muna yon kasi gloves. At akong gloves dito. Mga gloves. Meron ako dito. Yan. Sarado muna natin ito guys. Kasi hindi ako kasya pag pinasok ko. Make sure walang laman. Talaga naman guys, ito yung pinaka favorite ko talaga na dinideliveran eh. Libre pa hugas. Tayo magpatumpik-tumpik.
I stamped into the practice room just as the afternoon heat began to get thick and heavy, black stacked clouds massing over the city. It would be rain soon, a monsoon-like downpour. Thunder and lightning would accompany the rain, and by the time full dark fell, the steaming city might get some relief. I wasn't wearing my bag or my coat, just jeans and a fresh microfiber shirt, boots and my rings. My hair was wet, braided back tightly, and I'd re-lacquered my fingernails with the molecule drip that made them tough as claws. The practice room was a long hall floored with tatami, weapons racked on the wall, and 3 heavy bags ranged in a row near the door. Went up on tiptoe, my hand curling around his shoulder. The smell of musk and starch power enveloping me. Hey! I pulled on his shoulder and he bent a little, obediently. I kissed his cheek. Just a pet. I heard Jason's indrawn breath and knew I was halfway to winning. He's like better when he's angry anyway.
Pakinggan ko ito
That's
eh,
enough.
nakakawala ng
I was
stress eh.
surprised. It helps to have someone there while I'm in pain. My tone was a little more intimate than I planned. I appreciate it. He nodded once, sharply, and straightened, his gaze flicking away from me. I turned back to the practice room. Gabe's jaw dropped. She sidled back, almost to the near wall. Eddie followed her, watching Jace, white teeth showing in a wide grin. Jace walked deliberately over to a rack near the windows and put his staff up, scooped up his scabbarded sword.
I'm going for it. Let's go.
I had that spiteful smile that wanted to pull my lips up. Careful there. I haven't fought him in a while. Ease into this. I made it to the center of the room. I hadn't even stepped out beyond my usual morning routine. Jace carried his sword, approached me cautiously on his seated feet.
Ah, sweetheart.
His blue eyes locked with mine. It was a usual greeting, usually followed by a kiss. My body remembered the sound of that voice. I let myself smile then. My wings gave out a low, sustained humming. Gabe turns to the demon.
You're in for a treat. Jace and Danny are the best in the biz. They used to do naked blade, flipboard duels back in the day. And
I held my sword, fingers curled loosely around scabbard and hilt. Miss me?
You're damn dead.
Jason's face was set. His shoulders were loose and easy.
well, I didn't pick him off as much as I thought.
Every single motherfucking day.
Shouldn't have left.
Good night, Joe.
We circled each other, wary. I shifted my weight forward, praying to the sequence that would end with his head separated from his body. He countered almost immediately and we went back to circling.
Okay, you need to switch first.
Yeah, you were in such a hurry you didn't even leave a note. Must have been really deep and hot, Jace, for you to just get up and leave. What was her name?
I've been a fucking monk since our last time, sweetheart.
Second point for me. I pushed him too far. I hope it's made you a better fighter than you were as a lover. I tracked that on just a deep one.
You had no complaint.
When I told you he was safe. He was smiling again. He moved in, pressed him like counter. Hands behind his back, his eyes almost spitting sparks.
Try me again, sweetheart. I've been dying for it.
Good for you! I shuffled back to the side. Things were rapidly heating up. Get used to disappointment.
You don't want an explanation?
3 years too late, Chase. Alright, I'll be mad, but that you ever existed. His eyes mad.
Good luck. I just bought myself free of the Corbin family and sweets. Now I have some time on my hands. Want to help you do it?
I'd rather turn into a skill-free whore. The blade came free of the sheet just as he did.
You say it's sweet.
He had moved in with no warning. I counted. Now we separated.
You got me quicker?
And you still talk too goddamn much. I wish I could spit. He gave me a flash of the famous Monroe grin. The one that had mob groupies following him around all the time. Try it on someone who cares, fucker. That broke the tension. We moved in on each other, feet shuffling, sparks spraying from the metal and the power in the air. He wasn't trying very hard, and I almost got him twice before he realized I was serious and began to scramble. Cut over him, shin kick. He tried to lock me into a core, when his height and weight could overpower me, but that was an old trick. Move, scabbard flying into jabbing in the ribs. It was a cheap shot, but every little bit told. I had speed and endurance. He had power and a different type of endurance. Parry. A short thrust, he had to shuffle back to escape. Wall coming up fast. Am I gonna cheat or am I gonna... I cheated. I popped my left hand forward. The scabbard held horizontal and a dart of power flashed from my rings. Spattered on his defenses. We separated. It bought me some breathing room.
Cheater!
Sweat rolled down his forehead. His hair truly soaked now. I showed my teeth. Sweat dripped down the shallow channel of my spine. My ribs flared.
Full on now, sweetheart? You sure? Last time it was just like spank your ass.
Come on over here and find out, Monroe. I could kind of slip with the guard. I'm coming in low, shielding, swirling with the peculiar spiky turbulence of a shaman. Impossible to predict. I was glowing, glitter spattering through my aura, reacting to his nearness, and to my own defenses springing up, locking with his. We closed in again, and this time, he was serious.
Ang banlaw lang. Tapos trailer naman guys, ang tirahin natin. Thriller. Oh, bigat nito. Banti natin. Woohoo! Yun. Hope. Ayan lang. Alright, tara, babayin natin. Tapusin na natin tong trabaho natin ngayon guys. Tapos ibaba natin ito. Trabaho lang tayo ng maayos. All right. Tamang banlaw lang to. Boy, sumasayad. Alright. Okay na yan guys. Parado natin. Mayroon ding susunod oh, no? Okay. Hugas tayo ng kamay. Mainit, ang init guys. Init. Okay, ayun na. Para yung susunod eh tapos na. Alright guys, tapos natin to. Alright, tapos ang ating trabaho. Punta naman tayo ngayon sa pick up location. Ayun ang trabaho ng lakay trucker. Trabaho nating mga truck driver. Ayun na. Pakintab na naman ni Cordapia. Oh, tamang hugas lang. Tamang banlaw lang, hindi mo kailangan kuskusin ng kung ano, wala naman silang sabon yan eh. Tamang ano lang siya, tamang banlaw, kumbaga. Ayan. So diretso na ako sa pipikapan ko guys, no? Hanggang sa muli natin pagkikita. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay sa video vlog ng Lakay Trucker. Ingat kayo lagi. I love you all guys. Peace up. Bye. Yeah!
Lakay Trucker.